Hi guys, I want to share with you this amazing pilau recipe that I prepared at home with available spices that I had at home, guys. As you can see, it looks really yummy. Welcome guys, let me take you along. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and welcome. Let's start cooking. First, I boiled this beef, and this beef broth I'm gonna be using it in my pilau. Then I have this green peas, it's just 1 glass. Then I have red onion, ginger, garlic, paprika, pilau masala, 2 tomatoes, and my rice. First we're gonna be frying the onion. Then I'm adding some salt to make these onions fast. And then we're gonna go ahead and add tomatoes. I've cut them very small cubes. Then I've grated my ginger and garlic. I'm gonna be frying them together. So we're gonna leave them cook, and then when they cook, we're gonna go ahead and add our pilau masala. That is 2 tablespoons of pilau masala. And then I'll add paprika. If you have other spices, you can go ahead and add. This is just what I have in the house. If you have other spices like black pepper, maybe cinnamon, you can add any spices that you love, provided you leave them cook and you let them cook well. So you're gonna let this cook a bit and simmer with the cook with a low medium heat. You can see my spices are cooked. They are well cooked, guys. As you can see, let me show you how they should look like when they are cooked. See how they look like, guys. They are well cooked, and we're going to add the beef. Then we stir and make sure they are well combined, and then cook like let them cook like 5 minutes before we add our next ingredients. This time, guys, we're gonna be adding our cheese. Remember, it's just 1 glass of cheese. We're gonna go ahead and stir. Like that, we're gonna go ahead and then add the rice. My rice is 2 glasses. So add 2 washed 2 glasses of rice, and then you're gonna stir. Make sure they're well combined before you go ahead and add water. So I'm gonna be adding 2 glasses of water. Remember my rice is 2 glasses, so I've boiled 2 glasses of water, and I'm gonna add beef broth 2 glasses. So make sure you add 4 glasses of water if you don't have beef broth. So we're gonna combine well, as you can see. Hot water first. Make sure you use hot water. Those are 2 glasses. I'm gonna stir. And then we'll add the beef broth. We check the salt. Make sure the salt have tasted, and make sure you sieve the broth because of the the small bones under the broth. When you boil, you get some small bones, so you have to sieve the broth. Here we'll boiling, and our pilau is ready. As you can see, guys, I hope you guys can be able to use this very easy recipe. Our pilau looks really nice. Make sure you check out the recipe, guys. Use my recipe, and this is how I served my pilau. As you can see, I had it with tomato sauce. You can use kachumbari or guacamole. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this cooking channel, and let me see you on another video. Thank you, guys.